10 UK supermarket scams you must avoid. That price tag on the shelf is not what you think. Morrisons just installed 10.8 million digital labels that can change prices in 20 seconds. Tesco and Asda are rolling out the same technology, and the algorithm behind it knows exactly when you are desperate. By the end of this video, you will know which supermarkets to avoid and how to protect yourself from paying more than you should. In 2026, UK supermarkets completed the switch from paper to digital. Morrisons went first, 497 stores, 10.8 million electronic shelf labels. Asda followed. Over 250 Asda Express stores now use the same technology. Tesco and Sainsbury's have heavy saturation in local and express stores. They call it efficiency. They call it reducing paper waste. But here is what they do not tell you. These labels use e-ink technology. Like a Kindle screen, they connect wirelessly to a central pricing system, and they can change prices remotely, store-wide, in under 20 seconds. The price you saw this morning can be different by lunchtime, different again at 5 p.m. This is not a price tag anymore. It is a live pricing terminal controlled by an algorithm you cannot see. Here is how the first layer works. Time of day, pricing. At 9 a.m., a meal deal might be £2.50. By 5 p.m., when commuters flood in desperate for dinner, it jumps to £3.50. The same sandwich, the same crisps, the same drink. But the algorithm knows you are in a hurry, you are tired, you are hungry, you will pay more. Grab-and-go items are hit hardest. Pre-made sandwiches, bottled water, ready meals. The digital tag adjusts based on footfall data. When the store is busiest, prices rise. This is surge pricing, like Uber, but for your weekly shop. And because the label updates silently, most people never notice. They have no idea they just paid 30% more than someone who shopped at lunchtime. The second layer is even more calculated. Weather-based pricing. The system links to local weather feeds. If a heat wave hits London, the price of bottled water can spike within minutes. One bottle of water might be £1 in the morning. By 2 p.m., when temperatures peak, it jumps to £1.50. The algorithm is not reacting to supply and demand. It is reacting to desperation. You are thirsty. It is 30 degrees outside. You need water now. The system knows this, and it charges you more. In winter, the same thing happens with soup, with bread, with hot meal deals. Cold snap forecast, prices rise. The weather is not just affecting what you buy anymore. It is affecting what you pay. But the next scam is the one that affects everyone, and it involves the loyalty card in your wallet right now. Before we continue, take a second to subscribe and hit like. It helps push this investigation to the people who need to see it. Let us keep going. Your club card is not a reward program. It is a data harvesting tool. Every time you scan it, the supermarket logs exactly what you bought, how much you spent, what time you shopped. Over months and years, they build a profile. They know you buy branded coffee every 2 weeks. They know you always get the same yogurt. And here is the scam. The algorithm uses that data to calculate the maximum price you will pay before you switch to a competitor. If you always buy Tesco Finest ready meals, they know you are less price sensitive, so they keep those prices high. If you buy value range every week, they discount strategically to keep you coming back. This is not loyalty. This is psychological pricing based on surveillance. Your shopping history is being weaponized against you. Now combine the digital tags with the loyalty card. Here is how the double dip works. A jar of coffee is listed at £5 for club card members, £9 for non-members. You feel like you are saved £4. But here is what happened behind the scenes. The regular price was £7 last month. The system raised it to £9 to make the member price look like a massive saving. You are not saving £4. You are paying what it used to cost and giving them your data in exchange. Meanwhile, the non-member is being punished with an artificially inflated price. According to Which, non-member prices at some UK supermarkets are now up to 40% higher than the market average. 40%. That is not a discount membership discount. That is a privacy tax. If you refuse to hand over your data, you pay more. Essentials like milk, bread, eggs and butter are deliberately inflated for non-members. The message is clear: give us your data or pay the fine. This is not about rewarding loyalty. This is about punishing privacy. Here is a scam most people never notice. Low stock pricing. If the system detects a store is running low on a high demand item, it raises the price. Not because of inflation, because the algorithm wants to slow down sales and maximize margin on the remaining stock. You walk in at 7 p.m. The store has 3 cartons of milk left, normally £1.20, now £1.60. The price goes up because they are running out. The next delivery arrives at 6 a.m. tomorrow. By 9 a.m. the price drops back down. Different time, different price. But the most disturbing scam involves cameras at the shelf edge and what they might be using them for. Stay with me. This one is not confirmed, but it is gaining traction in 2026. Some electronic shelf labels have small cameras built in. Officially, these are for stock monitoring, but privacy advocates are raising concerns. Could these cameras identify who is standing in front of the shelf? Could they estimate age or gender? If the system sees a well-dressed person in the wine aisle, does the price adjust upward? Supermarkets deny this, but the technology exists. And the fact that it is even possible should alarm every UK shopper. Multi-buy offers are not savings. They are overspending traps. 3 for 2. Buy 1, get 1 free. Meal deal bundles. You came in for 1 item. You leave with 3. And because the digital tags can adjust these offers in real time, the supermarket can test which combinations make you spend the most. The system is experimenting on you, testing price points, measuring your behavior. Most of the time, you are just buying more than you need. The final scam combines 2 tactics: shrinkflation and digital price increases. First, the product gets smaller. 400 grams becomes 350 grams. Then, the digital tag raises the price by 10 pence. You are paying more for less. A chocolate bar that was £1 for 100 grams is now £1.20 for 90 grams. That is a 33% price increase per gram, but it feels just like 20 pence more. So which supermarkets are the worst offenders? Morrisons, fully digital, 10.8 million labels. Asda, over 250 stores with electronic shelf labels. Tesco and Sainsbury's, heavy digital saturation in express and local stores. Which supermarkets have resisted? Aldi and Lidl, still using paper tags in most locations. Iceland, limited digital rollout. If you want to avoid algorithmic pricing, shop at stores that have not gone fully digital. Here is how to fight back. 1. Stop using loyalty cards. Pay the higher price if you must, but stop giving them your data. 2. Shop at off-peak times, 9 a.m. or 2 p.m. Avoid the 5 p.m. commuter rush. 3. Check prices on your phone. Use apps like Trolley to compare before you buy. 4. Buy in bulk when prices are low. Stock up. Assume it will rise tomorrow. 5. Switch supermarkets. Aldi and Lidl have simpler pricing. 6. Pay in cash when possible. Harder to track without card data. 7. Only buy what you need. Do not fall for multi-buy traps. The system is designed to extract maximum profit. Your defense is awareness. The supermarket you trust is not the same supermarket your parents shopped at. Paper tags are gone. Fixed prices are gone. Transparency is gone. You are shopping inside an algorithm, and that algorithm is designed to charge you more when you are desperate, when you are busy, when you are T-racked. Morrisons, Asda, Tesco, Sainsbury's, they all use the same system. This is not a conspiracy. This is documented corporate strategy. Every shop is a gamble. Every price is negotiable. Every customer is a data point. You do not have to accept this. You can shop smarter. You can switch supermarkets. You can stop giving them your data. But first, you need to know the system exists, and now you do. Because if this is what we found in UK supermarkets, what do you think is happening in fast food chains? In coffee shops? In petrol stations? The pricing scandal is bigger, hidden, deeper. We are investigating next. Subscribe for more British consumer exposés. Turn on notifications. The next investigation drops soon. And rust us, you need to see what we found. Comment below. Which supermarket do you shop at? Have you noticed prices changing? And after watching his, will you switch? Thanks for watching. I'll stay informed.